If your hearing aids whistle, don't just turn them off. Do this instead. Feedback can happen when the volume is too high. Amplified sound leaks out of your ear, goes back into the microphone, and that creates a squealing noise. Today's hearing aids include automatic feedback cancellation, but excessive volume can still cause problems. First, try lowering your volume 1 or 2 steps. Is it still there? This next part is what most people miss. If you are constantly turning up the volume, your settings probably need to be adjusted by a professional. Your hearing aids should be comfortable and provide clear speech. Contact your hearing healthcare provider for help. If reducing the volume didn't fix the feedback, the physical fit might be a problem. Your hearing aid can be working perfectly but still whistle. Here's why. Even a small gap between your ear canal wall and the hearing aid's ear mold can cause sound to leak out of the ear. This sound gets picked up by the microphone, which creates feedback. For a quick fix, just remove the hearing aid and reinsert the ear mold slowly. You may also twist it slightly as you seat it into the ear canal. Make sure it's fully inserted, snug, and comfortable. If the ear mold feels loose inside your ear canal may have gradually changed over time. A tighter fit can stop feedback. Contact your hearing healthcare provider for help. But there's a hidden cause you may have not checked. If the ear mold is seating correctly but the hearing aid still squeals, earwax buildup might be causing it. If your hearing aids are whistling, check this before you adjust anything else. Excessive earwax inside the ear canal can cause the hearing aid sound to reflect back out of the ear canal. This reflected sound can go right back into the hearing aid microphone, making it squeal. If you suspect earwax blockage, contact your physician for help. Never use a cotton swab in your ear. It can push wax deeper and cause more problems. Now look at the tip of your hearing aid. If the wax guard is clogged, replace it. Always keep your hearing aids clean by brushing the ear mold daily. Also, wipe down the hearing aid body with a microfiber cloth. If your hearing aid is clean, but it's still squealing, the issue could be damage that you can't see. Here's an overlooked cause of hearing aid feedback. Ear mold tubing hardens over time and can become damaged. Tiny cracks in the tube may let amplified sound escape. This sound then goes back into the hearing aid microphone, which causes whistling. Hold the tube up to a light, bend it slightly, and look for any damage. Any loose connections around the ear mold can cause it too. But the good news is that tubing replacement is quick and inexpensive. Contact your hearing healthcare provider to replace it. In order to prevent future feedback issues with your hearing aids, it's very important to have regular maintenance. Always make sure your hearing aids are clean and schedule checkups with your hearing healthcare provider about every 6 months. Watch the next video now, see the comments for our store and free ebook, and always consult with a local physician or audiologist.